Hello, welcome back to another episode. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this video we're going to be working on this Audi S5. This is in for our 5-year Wax is Dead package. We will also be doing a glass upgrade and we will be ceramicing the wheels and calipers as well. Obviously it's a brand new vehicle, it's pretty much gone from the dealership around G8 and then back to here. So it should be a pretty straightforward job. I can't wait to make it shine like it should do. As always, if you've got any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is detailing done properly. Sit back, relax and let me do all the hard work. Right, so now the snow foam stage is complete. I'm going to put some wheel cleaner on the wheels. I'm going to allow that to rest and do its job while I go over the vehicle with our shampoo. So we've got a lot of different materials on this vehicle. You've got your piano blacks, you've got your gloss blacks and your matte blacks. So throughout every single step in the process, we're going to have to be very careful and mindful of what we're using. Reason being, on the piano blacks, and this here, there's also piano black. You can't use well you can, but we don't use the same polish as what we do on the paintwork because I find it doesn't give as good as a finish to this as what a finishing polish will, obviously. So I'm going to polish these with a different pad and polish. So what I do with the paint, the matte surfaces look like this on the top. Obviously we need to be very mindful that they're matte so we can't get any polish on them or anything like that. So onto the wheels. Right, so as you can see, I'm spraying the wheels again. So this will be the third time product's been on the wheels, and this will be the first time we actually physically touch them. So obviously these are brand new wheels, they're gloss black. We don't want to have any marring or any damages or anything on them. So we want to try and remove as much dirt as we possibly can. Once we've done this clean, this will be the last time the paint itself actually gets touched, because obviously we'll be ceramicing the wheels. So any marring or anything like that should be limited to what the ceramic can handle. This obviously keeps your wheels perfect. This is why it's so important when you get a brand new car, brand new wheels or anything else, so you bring it straight in and we get it done straight away. So what I'm using here is a soft wheel mitt. This covers your fingers only, which is perfect because it allows you to move in all different directions and obviously get into those grooves at the back. It's a lot more gentle than using brushes or cloths or anything else. This is the safest way of doing it. See, already starting to see scratches. It's not a good start. You dry the vehicle, you can see sucker marks and things on the back windscreen. I would say this is down from when they obviously manufacture the vehicle. A lot of things are done by machine. So to combat this, I'm going to polish the glass. Now the polishing stage is complete, all that's left to do is leave this to rest overnight. We've polished the glass, we've polished the paint, and we've polished the piano black. So tomorrow we're going to come in, we're going to get the unit up to temperature. Once we're at the right conditions, we're going to use the Wax is Dead Supreme, which is a 5-year Wax is Dead package. We're going to do the paint, the glass, and we're also going to do the wheels. So tomorrow I will ceramic the paint as I just mentioned, and then I'll whip the wheels off and I'll coat them while they're securing. The vehicle's come up really well. There are a few little marks here and there, which obviously is to be expected. Not that you would expect anything at all on a brand new vehicle, but unfortunately that is just the way things are today. Anyway, I'm going to rip all this masking tape off. Everything's all polished up, everything looks mint. I'm pleased with it. This is detailed and done properly. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. It costs nothing, but it makes all the difference to us. As always, thanks for watching. Paint's had a chance to rest overnight. Today is another day. I've been in since 7:30 this morning. The time now is 9 o'clock and we are sat at 64% humidity at 22 degrees. So we're within perfect parameters to get the coating on. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to use the Wax is Dead Cleaner, which is an alcohol-based IPA product, which is going to remove any greases, dust, residues or anything left or oils left from the polishing stage. Once I've done that, we're going to be good for coating. So I'm going to get this wiped down now. Probably get it up in the air a little bit as well, so we can do all the lower parts, make sure everything is spot on. Obviously we'll do our final checks before we end up putting the ceramic on. Now it's time for ceramic coating. So this is in for our 5-year Wax is Dead package as I previously mentioned, so we'll be using Wax is Dead Supreme. I'm going to get that ready now. Units at temperature, car's wiped down, everybody else is gone. I'm going to get on with this, get this done, get the wheels done, car's finished. I made a mistake. I forgot to film me doing the wheels. I put the camera where it is, took the wheels off, cleaned them, brought them back, ceramic them, put them back on, and I forgot to press record. So you're gonna have to take my word for it. Wheels are done, car's done, paint's done, glass is done, plastic's done, lights are done. The vehicle is complete. All that needs to be done on this is just finishing touches like the door shuts and maybe a vacuum out if it's dirty. And I did also forget that the customer is replacing the centre caps, so we'll try and get them out. I should take the wheels off again, but I've got to get those out so we can put those new ones in. But anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Here comes the juicy bit with a nice clean fresh car. I hope you like the drone footage as well. That was a bit interesting to film on this, film on the drone and do the work at the same time. But we got there, we succeeded. Anyway, as always, detailing done properly. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.